Welcome to your new Orbit home. In this video, we'll be finding out where to locate your gas, water and electricity meters. Your meters will usually be in a meter box on your outside wall or in the ground near your front door. How to identify your meters. Once you've found your meters, you'll need to be able to identify which one is the electricity, gas or water meter. The electricity meter will usually have 5 numbers before the decimal point and it will be measured in kilowatt hours. The gas meter will usually have 4 numbers before the decimal point and it will be measured in cubic feet. The water meter will be directly next to your stop valve in a small manhole cover on your garden or path to the front of your home. On the day you collect the keys to your new home, please make sure the readings of each meter are provided to the utility supplier for correct billing and account setup. Remember to give your meter readings regularly to your energy supplier or use the meter reading function on your smart meter. Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, please contact our customer care team.